Hi everyone, Andy Granberg with Stewart Title. Today I'm going to tell you about a great way to keep in touch with past clients. Remember, one of the great ways to get referrals and get more business is to keep in touch with past clients. A great way to do that is a thing called AmericanGreetings.com. It costs less than 20 bucks a year, and from it you can send, I'm going to put myself up here in the corner. From it, here's just the web page, the landing page of it. You can send all sorts of different cards, e-cards. My favorite one to do is these birthday e-cards. You're going to stand out to your past customers. You're going to get remembered. And one thing I've heard, and actually this is from the National Association of Realtors, is that I think it's 65% of buyers don't remember their agent's name 6 months later. That's a lot. But here's a way that you can keep in touch with those people is with these e-cards. Here you have Dolly Parton's going to sing their name. These folks, Donny Osmond is my favorite. Michael Bolton, Shaq, of course. And here I have one queued up. Here's Donny Osmond's. I'm not sure if you can hear or not, but let's put it forward to where he's singing. And as you can see, it's upbeat, a lot of fun. And there it is. And so what you can do with that then is you can personalize it, send it off. It's gonna get you remembered. Believe me, when I've sent these to people, they just absolutely love them. What's also nice is that it will send you a reminder the next year. So if you don't have a CRM, it's gonna be the most basic of CRMs to remind someone or to remind you that it's their birthday, and you can contact them with something like this. You're gonna get remembered by this. Trust me. All right, check it out, AmericanGreetings.com. Remember to subscribe to my page and like, please. Thank you.